In MegaCitigen version 5.0, a new feature has been added that opens up new possibilities that will shorten your working hours and render times. That is, the baking mode. Let me show you how to make the best out of this new feature. After completing the design of your city, just add the crowd and traffic, with no adjustment to their animation settings. Now click Add Logical Details. And click Bake Scene for faster rendering. This generates 16 layers of meshes and a collection of instanced objects that no longer need to be recalculated every frame. Once it is done, you can turn off any layers from the viewport that you don't really need in a certain task. For example, when adjusting the riverside crowd animations, you can turn off all other layers in the instance collection, except the ground. Or when setting up camera animation, you can turn on just the ground and the buildings. Another possibility that opens up is that you can edit these individual meshes to your needs. You can extend traffic, edit road marking, or even change the shape of some of the buildings. But remember, any changes in mesh will go away when you go back to the regular design mode by clicking Free Bake City. Parameter changes made to the crowd's animation will stay. But if you want to make the traffic animation settings stay with the freed city, click Apply Parameter Changes to the master with the source layer selected. With this new feature, the rendering time of a frame has been reduced from 40 minutes to 4 minutes in certain cases, especially in huge cities like this demo. One thing to note, in the case of exceptionally huge cities, is that the baking time might extend several tens of minutes or more. In summary, you can now bake the city into editable meshes to edit details, or speed up animation and render time. And you can go back to the original city by freeing the bake city. I hope MegaCitigen will open up many new possibilities for your workflow. Thank you for watching.